federal government is launched Nigerian gas transportation network to guarantee open access to the network. The Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, Timire Silva, made this known on Monday at the third edition of 2020 Nigerian International Petroleum Summit in Abuja. He stated that the code, which has inbuilt modification mechanism in a contractual framework between the gas transportation network operator and gas shippers, the terms and guidelines for operation and use of the gas network.
The code in its current form has inbuilt modification mechanisms. Hence, all stakeholders are assured of the periodic review of the network code to suit the dynamics of the industry.
Silva, in his keynote address, said that the attendance from the African continent and other countries of the world, the state edition will definitely rise the bar. Over 45 countries are expected to be present.
As the third edition commences today, it must be taken as a call to us in Africa to look inwards, develop and sustain technical as well as managerial capacities in innovation, operations and management of our endowed oil and gas resources. Nigeria's official Petroleum Summit is a pan-African event designed as a meeting point for the oil and gas industry to introduce and harness new technologies and ideas that will lead to development of new strategies that would attract and enhance inflow of foreign investments while improving success rates of indigenous business engagements. Furthermore, it will also facilitate close interaction of industry specialists, leaders in the private and oil and gas sectors, resulting in cross-fertilization of ideas that will advance the needed development in the sector.
In the same vein, the group managing director, Malai Kara, disclosed that need to see West Africa as a business opportunity, but developing 9% of oil and gas used in Africa is imported.
We are the largest corporation in Africa. We have assets that is in the excess of $30 billion and many more and counting. We have opportunities that we share with our partners. We are creating a platform where our partners can trust us again, that they can work with us, so that ultimately we can create value for all of us. We know that there are expectations from us. This country, and indeed the whole of Africa, particularly West Africa, expects so much from us: energy security. That's our job. The primary role of NNPC is to provide energy security for this country, and we are doing that. And beyond that, we also know that we're in West Africa. We do need to see West Africa as a business opportunity, and of course the whole of Africa. This country can provide energy for the whole of Africa with the support of our colleagues from Equatorial Guinea and the rest of us.
President of Nigeria Muhammadu Buhari, who was represented by Boss Mustafa, Secretary to the Government of Federation, stated that Nigeria as an oil-producing nation remains ready and accessible for legitimate investment from all interested countries, individuals, and partners.
I hope at the end of this summit, Nigeria and the entire continent of Africa would have garnered additional knowledge that would enhance the practical transformation of our oil and gas sector, thus leading to increasing benefits to all our citizens.
As the third edition commences today, it must be taken as a call to us in Africa to look inwards. Helen Udo, Outlook TV, Abuja.